حي على الفلاح.
If you really truly have knowledge, and if I really truly have knowledge, then we recognize the highest status with Allah of the highest knowledge is that I'm just a slave. I am and the word slave I use deliberately. I didn't say servant. I said slave because it's kind of an offensive term. Right? And literally in the Arabic language, I have to try to translate the Arabic of the Quran as close to the English as possible. I'm not trying to be politically correct. I'm trying to be accurate from a language point of view. Abd actually does mean slave. And yes, slave is an offensive term. But I want you to understand why that's used. Because slavery to anyone other than Allah is humiliation. But slavery to Allah is an honor. It's actually freedom. And also, you can't think of any title that somebody could give you that could be lower than slave. Like whoever has a job in the world, any role in the world, when they take that role, there is no more humble, more lower a title than that one. Here you have someone who has higher and higher, the highest knowledge, and yet all he is abdan, a slave. And on top of that, it's not al-abd. It's not even mu'arraf billam. It's not even the servant. Like this is the man to learn from. No, just any servant. There's an anonymity to him. This is profound because it teaches us something about what it means to truly learn Islam. When somebody's truly learning the knowledge of Allah, then actually they are more and more and more within everyone else, not above. They're not above them. They are more humbled than they are full of their credentials. Do you know where I graduated from? Do you know what degree I have? Do you have an ijazah in this? Did you study under this sheikh? None of that matters now. That disappears. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. If you enjoyed this video, please do share it with friends and family. If you want to see more videos from this series, click on the box at the top. If you want to see other videos, click on the box at the bottom. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks.